Wow, look at this massive pile. Tons of old jeans are about to embark on a completely new transformation journey. Watch out, strips of denim are heading straight into this giant machine. There's no going back. Hold on, it's not just fabric. Black rubber, scrap belts, all are gathering up. It's showtime. Rubber and denim, two worlds preparing to merge through this sharp spin. Shred it to pieces. The relentless steel saws tear through the toughest fabric. Unbelievable. Everything is crushed, no longer recognizable from its original shape. Look at that flow. From stiff pants to a waterfall of soft fibers, absolutely amazing. A mountain of blue. A giant blue fiber mountain is forming. The rebirth process has truly begun. Just look at the texture. Nobody would believe these used to be the jeans you wear every day. Next stop, refinement. This 1,000-needle machine will comb everything smooth, leaving no tangles. Smooth it out. From a chaotic mess, we now have a fiber blanket as soft as velvet. Look at those teeth. The steel spikes are reshaping the entire fiber structure. Like a blue cloud. As light as a feather, this is the perfect fluffy coat. Going down. Pouring onto the next conveyor, the cotton blanket is being completely flattened. Precision engineering. Everything is thinned out to millimeter perfection. Layer by layer. Denim spider webs stacking up, weaving an ultra-durable structure.
We have the base. A beautiful blue blanket has formed. But wait, it's not done yet.
Roll it tight. Tighten it up. We need an even denser texture.
Here comes the pain. Get ready for thousands of industrial acupuncture strikes.
Punch, punch, punch. Tens of thousands of needles pierce through to lock the fibers permanently. And just like that, from a tangled mess to a super material, unexpectedly durable. Perfectly smooth. Endless length. A masterpiece of recycling technology. Roll it up. But wait, aren't tennis balls supposed to be yellow? The magic is about to happen.
Bam! A splash of yellow. The magic is here. Let's dye it blindingly yellow.
Look at that optic yellow. The iconic tennis fluorescent yellow has officially appeared. Look at that optic yellow. The iconic tennis fluorescent yellow has officially appeared. A river of gold. The golden river winds through the factory, preparing for a fiery heating. Into the fire. Pushing the blanket into the high-temperature oven to permanently set the color and thickness. Baking it up. Searing heat rises, completely drying and creating a tough fluffiness for the felt layer. Fresh out the oven. Piping hot and dry, this premium felt is ready for trimming.
Shape it up. Now it's time to shape the ball's coat. Strange shapes are about to appear.
Stamping the dog bones. The giant stamp precisely cuts out curvy figure-8 felt pieces. Flashback to the dark side. Back to the scrap tires and old rubber, the tennis ball core is taking shape. Crunch it down. Tons of pressure shatter every bond, turning tires into granules. Like black diamonds. These black diamonds will provide unbeatable bounce for the ball. Crush them finer. Grind them even more. We need ultra-fine micro-rubber granules. Perfect pellets. Perfectly round and smooth, the stream of rubber granules is ready for additives. Shake it off, filtering out the last impurities, Only the most perfect granules are kept. Pristine and sleek, these black pearls are heading to the mixer.
Mix it all together. Add vulcanizing powder, additives, and water. Tumble it up to create the ultimate rubber compound.
Knead the dough. Extreme kneading, creating invincible toughness for this divine core.
Looks like a giant lava flow. The glossy black lava rolls out, flexible but extremely compressed.
Into the hopper. Pouring straight into the shaping mold. The silhouette of the ball is about to appear, squeezing out the core. Hundreds of tons of pressure to extrude the most solid billet for the ball core.
Pop, pop, pop.
The shape of the funny black core balls is out, looking just like rough meteorites.
An army of cores. An army of black cores lines up perfectly, moving forward, waiting to be dressed.
Getting ready to stick. Spraying an ultra-thin layer of super adhesive mist, preparing for the perfect combination. A touch of glue. The adhesive mark spreads, completely enveloping the surface of the black sphere. The magical moment. The moment of merging. The dog bone felt piece slams down like a perfect hug. Wrap it around. Wrap the black core tight. The classic U-shaped contour is slowly revealing itself.
Smash it tight. The sledgehammer comes down, compressing under high heat so no gaps exist.
We have a ball. Look, the shape is perfect, but this fuzz needs some more grooming.
Into the steam chamber. Final steam heat treatment, creating wind-tearing bounce for the court.
Steamed to perfection. Flawless. Once steamed, the ball bounces wildly. Get ready to polish its beauty.
Fluff it up. The round bristle brush fluffs the surface, creating ultimate friction for every serve.
Looking flawless, clearing the excess dust. One by one, smooth and fluffy, the beauty is up to standard. Stamp of approval. The quality stamp comes down, officially joining the premium ball family.
Final check cleared. Flawless. Let's pack them into tubes, ready to unleash.
Sealed and packed. The pressure is tightly sealed, wrapped in a premium label. Everything is loaded.
And there you have it, from denim waste and old tires, a majestic transformation into a grass court masterpiece. Thousands of bouncing balls ready for your lightning